Castle Campbell, above Dollar in Clackmannanshire, was once the ancient seat of the Earls of Argyll, and over the years had many prestigious visitors. During the mid-16th century, one of these was Mary, Queen of Scots. She had been born on 8th December 1542 at Linlithgow Palace, the daughter of King James V and his wife Mary of Guise. When she was just 6 days old, she became queen following the death of her father, and was crowned at Stirling Castle on 9th September 1543. Until the age of 5, she was moved around for safety reasons before being shipped to France, where she spent the next 13 years in the French court, waiting to be married to Francois, the Dauphin, later Francois II. Married on 28th April 1558, the young couple became King and Queen of France the following year. A year later, Francois died, and his brother Charles became king, so Mary returned to Scotland. Being Catholic, her Scottish subjects were suspicious of her. John Knox openly spoke out against her, and many in her Privy Council were Protestant. That notwithstanding, she tolerated this new form of religion, but maintained her own faith. One of these outspoken men was the 5th Earl of Argyll, Archibald Campbell, owner of Castle Campbell, and he was responsible for the establishment of Protestantism as the main form of worship in Scotland. Religion was put aside in 1563, when Mary was invited to Castle Campbell for a wedding, as Lady Jean Stewart, the wife of Campbell, was her half-sister, and one of her closest confidants. Campbell's half-sister, Margaret, was engaged to James Stewart, 2nd Lord Doon, and the marriage took place with Mary as the guest of honour, staying at Castle Campbell between the 9th and 12th of January 1563. She took an active part in all the festivities, including the banquets and masques. However, it wasn't a happy trip for her. Shortly afterwards, she was consigned to her bed, suffering from a high fever, vomiting, and abdominal pains, following her evil journey at Castle Campbell. This is thought to have been a hereditary condition, as some of her descendants suffered from it as well. This was not Mary's only connection with the castle. Following her betrothal to Henry Stuart Lord Darnley, a plot was hatched by her half-brother, James Stuart, 1st Earl of Murray, and Campbell, to intercept Darnley at Kinross on his way back from Perth, and to take him to the castle. They then intended to hand him and his father, Matthew Stuart, the Earl of Lennox, over to the English. A local laird discovered the plot, however, and warned the Queen, so the plot was foiled. If you enjoyed this episode of Scotland's History, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.